everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys how I made my duplicate Ikea vanity makeup table. So what I did was I purchased these two 5-drawer, they call 5-drawer letterpress box, no, letterpress cubes. So I purchased them from Michael's, and they're regular $99 each, but Michael's was having a half off sale, and so I happened to get both of them for the $99. It's pretty quite cheap, 200 and something dollars for the Ikea one. So I decided no, I'm just going to go ahead and DIY mine. So yes, they're quite nice, and the height is about 26 inches something. This is it. And so what I did was I went to Lowe's and I picked up this, they call it closet shelf. And I was looking for a longer one, but they didn't have any. I was looking for about a 60 inches, but they didn't have that one. So I picked up, this is a 48 by 15. I'm just going to set it up and show you guys what it looks like. And you know, if you don't want to spend that much on Ikea for theirs, you may go ahead and, you know, buy 2 of these cubes from Michael's store, and I mean, you get 2 for $99. That's quite cheap. And this was about, I think it was $13 and something. I can't remember. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I set it up. And what, you know, before I go ahead, my husband put it together for me, because I wouldn't know. So praise God for that. Oh yes, I'm going to go ahead and set it up and, you know, show you guys what I did with it. Thank you. Everyone, so this is the finished look for my vanity table. Yeah, it's very beautiful, I'm not going to lie. It looked exactly like the Ikea vanity table. Oh my goodness, it's quite beautiful. And so that's the mirror. I had my husband to put a bit lower to the table, so you know, it would look more like, you know, beautiful. So yeah, and I just added my I don't think that's a vase. I don't know, I picked it up from Burlington, and I just added my bouquet from my wedding. I purchased this, what is it called, the brush holder from Amazon, and you know, it can't hold all my brushes, so I have to get one more. They comes in white and black. And I also purchased that liquid lipstick holder. It was $24 lipstick, and I purchased it also on Amazon. And yeah, I purchased that mirror storage thing from Burlington. Mirror that is right there on the decks. I received it from Miriam. She gave it to me, and I like it so much. This top drawer here, I store all my foundations and my concealer, and yeah, and you know, try to minimalize as much as possible, You know, I don't want to keep so much foundation and they're all packed up, as I'm not going to use them. I had to even throw away some that's really outdated. So that's been there for a long time. I don't know if they expire or whatever, but it's sitting there, and I don't want to put it that some foundation that been sitting out for like 2 years on my face. No. And these are my highlighter, my face powder, and yeah, so there they are. I have my palettes. I had to minimalize on my palettes as well, because it's just too much, and I don't want to overwhelm with palettes. So I've probably 1, 2 Morphe at the bottom, and 2 Juvia's palette, and I have this Anastasia, that one, and NYX, and this Tarte palette. And even though I'm going to be purchasing some more soon, but I don't want to go too much with the palettes. And to show you the rest of the drawer, because I'm not finished as yet. I'm still working and packing out all my stuff. And so yeah, that's my vanity. I will be actually getting a mirror, those vanity one with the bulbs. I'm going to eventually get one. So this is it, guys. So this is it. It's quite beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate you, and I love you. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.